Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come, you can see this is www.gigabyte.com. Come on this website, then right hand side this is search button, so click it, then enter the model number of your motherboard B860M power and then hit enter. And then product, then the click of the motherboard, click to support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10 11. So if you have a Windows 10, so no worry, you can see this video, select the Windows 10 driver and install, because installation process same Windows 10 and 11. Chipset driver, so this is chipset driver, so install this one, Intel INF update, and just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. Here you can see this is, so wait few seconds to complete and then open and double click to exe and then click to yes. Now this is extract, after that show the installation. So this is installed and then close it.